Welcome to this fully finished bungalow in the heart of the Ridge here in Sherwood Park. Situated on one of the neighborhood's best lots, it backs a massive green space and showcase an incredible backyard oasis you won't want to miss. I'm Jeff Edwards with the Macintosh Group at RE/MAX River City. We sell homes in Edmonton and Sherwood Park. So if this fantastic opportunity is the one you've been waiting for, give the Macintosh Group a call at 780-464-0075 or visit us online at macintoshgroup.ca.